My next new technology that I found is called Educandy, and I thought it would be great for elementary teachers who might be working with different concepts such as vocabulary, with our ever increasing EL learners. I feel like this would be a great place to send them to work on vocabulary, even students that might be lacking in the vocabulary area. You could do math. I mean, there's a variety of things that you can do. I built a really quick activity just using some words. It's just a fun way for kids to be able to interact with their actual work, and you can share it, you can edit it at any time. um, I'm going to put play. I'm going to choose, let's choose hangman, and it pulls up the game. Sometimes it takes a little bit. There we go. And it's just like a hangman for the kids. This is going to be pretty simple since I built it, but I'm just showing you an example of how it works. And then they click next. If you want to go back and see the other games that work, it's just a really interactive way for kids to learn. It's very, very easy. You can build just about anything you want. You could do matching, you could create them, you put a name, let's say synonyms. Hit create. And then you can just pretty much put anything in here. I felt like the ISTE standard that this went with was 1A, ensuring that all students have teachers that use technology to meet their learning needs. I felt like this was a great way to meet students' needs in a fun and interactive way when sometimes things are not, especially with vocabulary and synonyms and antonyms, things aren't very fun. And I thought this was just a great way to interact with kids and be able to do it in a fun way for them. I think that as educators, we're always looking for ways to interact with the kids and make it enjoyable for them as well as us. I'll show you how it creates this pair as it's loading. And you can add as many. I've seen some that were done, examples in Educandy that were done in chemistry. They used it to match the elements, the periodic table, which I thought was really neat. So Educandy is not really just geared towards elementary, but just a fun way for kids to learn.